Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today we've got some really exciting news. We've had one or two people send us pictures of work that they've done, and we had someone basically said, "Oh, we wish we could have some way of showing you what we can do." So what we thought we would do is create a competition. So this is just really for fun, but we thought with Christmas coming up, what could be better than doing a Christmas competition? So what we would like you to do is create a Christmas table arrangement or a Christmas table design. So something suitable for maybe like a table of 6 or 8 or 10 people. It needs to be with any materials, but it needs to be creative and original. And if you take a couple of pictures, so you could just use your iPad or your phone, send us a couple of pictures. Now, the closing date we're going to say is the 15th of November. And what we'll do is we'll take those images and we'll post them as they come in so that you can see what other people have done. We'll create a gallery of the images so that we can put all these Christmas designs into one place. And we'll also make a video just showcasing all the entries that have come in. So this is quite exciting because we've never done this before, and it would be wonderful to see your work, and also we can also learn from each other. So the fact that people are going to enter puts a whole load of ideas in one place, which I think is really useful for other people as well. So get your thinking caps on, come up with something really good, and there is a prize, and we will have this independently judged, and more details we'll post on Facebook as well. So give it a go, don't be scared, there's no rights or wrong, and we can't wait to see what you're going to produce. So thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.